Urgo K2 is available for ankle sizes 18 to 25 centimetres and 25 to 32 centimetres. The full compression kits of Urgo K2 deliver an average of 40 mm of mercury at the ankle, and the reduced kits deliver an average of 20 mm of mercury at the ankle. Urgo K2 has a unique pressure system to aid application by selecting the correct size, achieving the correct stretch, and applying the correct overlap. The correct therapeutic compression is achieved. In order to guide the correct stretch and correct overlap, Urgo K2 features a pressure indicator. When applying compression, the bandage is stretched so that the pressure indicator forms a circle. The bandage is now at the correct tension. Urgo K2 kits for 18 to 25 cm ankles have the pressure indicator printed in the top half of the bandage, which aids a 50% overlap. Urgo K2 kits for 25 to 32 cm ankles have the pressure indicator printed in the middle of the bandage, which aids a 2/3 overlap. Urgo K2 reduced compression bandages have an R printed in the middle of the pressure indicator to ensure they can be easily identified. Before applying Urgo K2, measure the circumference of the leg 2 cm above the malleolus. Choose the appropriate kit size. Ensure the foot is at a 90-degree angle, toes to nose. For the 18 to 25 cm kit, make sure that the pressure indicator is pointing away from the toes and towards the patient. Start bandaging with K-Tech at the base of the toes, ensuring the bandage is at the same level at the back of the foot. Use 1 or 2 turns to secure K-Tech in place around the foot. Do not apply full compression over the foot. K-Tech should be stretched just enough to keep it in place. Compression is applied from the malleolus. Stretch K-Tech so that the pressure indicator changes from an oval to a circle. Apply K-Tech in a spiral up the leg, overlapping to the bottom of the pressure indicator so that the correct overlap is achieved. Note that for the 18 to 25 cm ankle kits, the overlap is 50%. For the 25 to 32 cm ankle kits, the overlap is 2/3. Ensure that there are no gaps where edema could gather. Finish bandaging 2 cm or 2 finger widths below the popliteal space. Cut off any excess bandage, as overwrapping will increase the pressure and could cause pressure damage. Apply tape to secure K-Tech in place. This completes the application of K-Tech. Check that the ankle is still at 90 degrees before applying K-Press. Apply K-Press over K-Tech, ensuring there is a small border of K-Tech at the toes. A cuff of fluff. This prevents K-Press from rubbing on the skin. Secure the ankle with a figure of 8. As with K-Tech, compression begins at the malleolus. Stretch the pressure indicator to form a circle, but be careful not to overstretch to the shape of a beach ball. Spiral up the leg as before, covering the pressure indicator to achieve the correct overlap. When the knee is reached, ensure there is a border of K-Tech above K-Press. Cut off any excess bandage and press down gently to ensure full cohesion. Check that the patient feels comfortable. The application of Urgo K2 is now complete.